I want to read a couple reactions to this course from people who've taken it and or worked with John. I'm just going to read a few of these testimonials. This strategy is one of the best I've used. I got my money back in the very first month and have had successful months since January, thanks to you and SMB. From Rada. Appreciate your sharing the knowledge. This has completely turned around my options trading success. Keep up the great work. These are actual testimonials that we got in. Many thanks to you, John, Seth, and the Options Tribe for presenting this information. And many thanks to John for developing the trade and sharing it with the community. Let's go down to this one. Over the past 4 years, I've been trading, and as every beginner, I ran around in circles, wasting time and money. I had all the desire, but what I felt was really getting nowhere. And then it was like a light going on when I found John and his style of trading options. It's been the key to opening the door for my success and financial future. That's Chris from Australia. We've got people from all over the world. Let me read you just a couple more. His strategies work because he has such a good innate feel for the multidimensional interplay of price volatility in the Greeks. Very well said. John has the ability to take something very complex and make it accessible to the less experienced trader. John also works extensively with the all-important soft factors of psychology, emotions, and discipline. And then John is an innovator who's helped my trading immensely. I have found his methods and philosophies about trading to be life-changing. Since working with him for the first time in my life after years of trying, I've become a profitable trader. That pretty much says it all. Finally, I purchased this course for a couple reasons. I have a full-time job, so I cannot manage multiple trades of this type. So I'm thinking these strategies will work for my smaller accounts. Also, I think this is a great way to introduce my wife and 2 teenage kids into the options world without blowing them away. Thank you, Seth, SMB, and especially John. So this is a family affair now, John, isn't it? And
yeah, it is. Yes.
Yeah, it's a family affair. And